Without wishing to boast,
This is quite nice.
I mastered surfing very quickly.
Oh, lovely. That's the easiest thing I've ever done.
But for some reason, the other two kept trying to stand up.
Nose on the tail, hands on the rail.
I'm surfing.
They were so engrossed in this idiocy, they failed to spot an incoming problem.
James, we've got to get out.
No! I almost got up.
Nearly got it. What? The cars.
He's right.
James and Richard rushed to their cars and legged it, whereas I decided to get changed where I was.
Jeez.
Which went well.
No! Yes, come on, Hasselhoff.
That wasn't tense.
Our next challenge was to cook a 3-course meal in our motorhomes, using whatever ingredients we could find at a nearby petrol station.
Sit rep. Don't like driving my Citroen, don't like sleeping in my Citroen, almost certainly won't like cooking in it either.
Plus, getting to the petrol station meant taking some back roads.
Whoa!
What the hell's that?
Well, it was a tree, but now...
Tree?
That was a big one, Jeremy. That was a... Oh, no!
Having pruned most of Cornwall, we finally arrived.
Oh, my God. No, 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 no!
No, now I have crashed into a petrol station.